In truth, dinosaurs aren't even actually little lizards. I forgot how to pronounce those ones. Saurians.
Sauriskian.
Wow, Sauriskian. Lizard-hipped Sauriskians. Sauriskian? Mm-hmm. Damn it, bug. It's actually called a Apatosaurus, which means deceptive liver. What? And if you're a big fan of dinosaurs, maybe you should hang on to a bird. That sounds like you're gonna. Some people might see some security concerns, Some people might see some security concerns with what? Some people might see some security concerns with what Reddit has dubbed fap-ageddon. No, the fappening. On Thursday, the United States stands united against the goddess of health, marriage, and love. Sister's 11th birthday. Okay, you I'm Luke, and this is IXO. I'm Luke. It's a bird. A bird? No. My power this week is geothermal. My power this week is geothermal kinetic creature creation. And when I say hot, I don't mean it the way Paris Hilton dud. And when I say hot, I don't mean it the way Paris Hilton did when people still talked about her. I mean this stuff, not andesite and rhyolite. The other types are andesite and rhyolite. The other types are andesite. The other types are andesite and rhyolite. Rhyolite. Andesite, rhyolite. Andesite, rhyolite. The other types are andesite and rhyolite. Maybe geothermal can. I don't think. Something tells me geothermal kinetic creature control man is already taken. Something tells me geothermal kinetic creature control man won't fit on a shirt. Last month's winner was Kristen, shown here, something like that. Last month's winner was Kristen. You can comment on our Reddit, our Facebook, our Pinterest, or the Twitter.
The Twitter? It's not the Twitter, it's just Twitter.
The Twitter account, find you!
Jesus! Boom pocket. Yeah, do the rest of the video like that.
The way we deal with this pancreas problem is by injecting synthetic innocence.
Yeah! Let's inject synthetic innocence into everyone!
I feel like I didn't do anything. The way we deal with this pancreas problem is by injecting synthetic sensibilities. It's the worst one. Scientists have discovered a well. It has water in it.